Good day viewers, welcome to this channel in this series IT Solution. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can remove a background from an image. It's very simple and short. You don't need to learn Photoshop, Photolab and other photo editing softwares. Just simply put your image, insert it in the tool, and with a click it will remove the background image for you. Keep following me and I'll show you how. And once again, if you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe. So let's begin. The software we are going to use to remove a background from our image is remove.bg, and here is the link. Once it loads, you will have something like this in your screen. Then you click here to upload the image you want to remove the background. After uploading the image, it will automatically remove the background of the image. You can do some editing after the background of the image has been removed. Then after that, you can download your image, and that's all. Thank you for viewing this video. We'll meet in the next episode.